Example 6.1. Find the locus of a point which moves such that its distance from the x-axis is equal to the distance from the y-axis. Here the given details are: a point is moving from x-axis and from y-axis. Both the distances are equal. So here solution, as per the given procedure, first we have to give the coordinates h comma k to p. That is, let p of h comma k be a point on the locus. Here it is given p of h comma k. This is the moving point. Okay. Then let a and b are the perpendiculars. Okay, that is the foot of the perpendiculars drawn from the point from p to x-axis. PA is the perpendicular line, as well as to the y-axis PB is the perpendicular line. Therefore, P of OA comma OB, that's equal to OA is equal to BP and OB is equal to AP. Okay, that's equal to h comma k. Here what is given as coordinates. Okay, then from the given details we are understanding that AP equal to BP because the condition is given in question itself. The distances from x and y axis are equal. Okay, that's why AP equal to BP. Okay, so AP equal to h and BP equal to k. And in the last step we are replacing h by x and k by y. That is h equal to k here given, no, while we are replacing it is becoming y equal to x. Okay, y equal to x is the condition to a line passing through the origin. So here the locus of the point P is through the origin. Okay, that's the answer. Through the origin the point is moving. Example 6.2. Find the path traced out by the point CT, C by T. Here T is not equal to 0 is the parameter and C is a constant. Okay, here the given point is CT, C by T. As per the given procedure, we are considering the point P as h, k, that is the point on the locus. So from the information we have h equal to CT, that is h comma k is the point no here. So h equal to CT we are equating, and then k equal to C by T. Okay, in the next step we have to remove the parameters. Okay, that's why we are going to remove this t. How to remove this? Now we are going to multiply this h and k. So while we are multiplying CT into C by T, we are removing this T and this T as common. So this is becoming HK equal to C square. Here in question itself given C is the constant. So no problem, we can keep this constant in our answer also. That's why therefore the required locus is, by replacing H by X and then K by Y, we are getting the answer as xy equal to C square. Example 6.3. Find the locus of a point P moves such that its distances from two fixed points A 1, 0 and B 5, 0 are always equal. Here the given details are: a point is moving, that is P is moving from A, in between A and B, but the distances from A and B are equal. So it's given that A as 1, 0 and B as 5, 0, and then here P is moving in between A and B in equal distance. Okay, so as per the given procedure, first we are considering let P of h, k be any point on the required path. So P is here, it's a moving point, so P of h, k. Okay, and then we know that both the distances from A to P and B to P are equal. Okay, so AP equal to BP. That's only we are taking here AP equal to BP. Okay, and then now we are going to take the points. A, what's the point? 1 comma 0, that is the first point, and then P, that is h comma k, equal to B is 5 comma 0 and P is h comma k. Okay, then while we are given 2 points, what's the formula to find the distance? That is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. By substituting the values in this formula, we are getting x minus 1 the whole square plus k minus 0 the whole square equal to root of h minus 5 the whole square plus k minus 0 the whole square. Okay, while taking this, it is becoming h square plus 1 minus 2h, because this is a minus b the whole square formula. Okay, plus k square, as it is equal to same by using a minus b the whole square formula, it is becoming h square plus 25 minus 10h plus k square. Then take all the terms to one side, then it is becoming this right side values are getting the opposite signs here. Okay, minus h square minus 25 plus 10h minus k square. Then simplifying these values, we are getting minus 2h plus 10h minus 25 plus 1 equal to 0, that is 8h minus 24 equal to 0. Then taking this constant value to the right hand side, 8h equal to 24, then h equal to 24 by 8, that's equal to 3. Therefore, the locus of P is x equal to 3, which is a straight line parallel to the y-axis. Okay, x equal to 3 means it will be here. Okay, that is x equal to 3 means 3 comma 0 like that. That means it will be parallel to the y-axis.